Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course today guys, I'm going to show you how to change the batteries in the Fortress security system. And this is the Fortress wireless security sensor. And this one is the window and door sensors. I have a separate video on the motion sensor. If you want to know about the motion sensor now to change the batteries in that one, just go ahead and click somewhere up here. I'll put the notification or down in the description so you can click and go over to that particular sensor. Alright, so first of all, to change the motions, the door and window sensor, you'll need some batteries. As you can see here, these you can pick these up on Amazon, and these are this is a 50 pack of Energizer A, and this is the 23 this is 12 volt batteries, and they are basically the 23A. And in order to get these, it's always advised that you buy a bunch of these. Sensors sometimes stop working. If the batteries are low, you might start getting a lot of false alarms. Usually I would say you get about 6 months out of solid usage before it's recommended that you change your batteries. So not only do you have to wait until the light appears, it's best that you change them earlier sometimes, as that could be the cause if you're getting false alarms, especially if the system was actually working flawlessly before. All right, so these are the 23A batteries. As you can see, I bought this entire pack of Amazon. And just to give you an idea what these batteries look like, I'm just gonna get one out here, and here you go. And these are quite small, and as they say here, they say Energizer, and they say A23, or some people say 23A. And of course this is the one we're going to use into this small sensor here. These batteries fit into small devices, so I'm just going to take this one out. To open this up, I've already pre-opened it. It's quite easy to open. This one was stuck to the window with a adhesive strip, so to remove it, simply just lift off. The adhesive strip is very strong. I would advise you to remove and then re-stick. So just simply hold at the base and then start lifting. The adhesive strip is strong enough so it will lift off. And of course mine is already lifted off, but this section will come off. And of course you see this tab here, and of course this section here. So we lift from the lower tab right here where it connects, and it will just lift off. When you're finished, just simply slide it back in, and these snap-on sections will just snap back into place, and that's it. So as you can see here, this is the sensor, and this is the 23A, and it's a 12 volt as we just showed you a while ago, and this is an alkaline battery. So what we're going to do is going to remove this one and replace it with this one right here. Quite easy. So let's go ahead and remove the battery, and it pops right out. Just to show you the one that's in here, if I can, just give me a second guys. Now there you go. And all it says on the battery is, it says new leader, and I think that's the brand. Any other variety should work. It says alkaline battery, and it does run you some information on the battery itself. Alright, so we're going to put that into place. This one is an Energizer, and it does give you the same basic stuff. And we're going to slide this one in, and we're going to replace it. So here we go. There we go. It slides right in, and the Energizer fits perfectly. All right. Alright, so now that's fitted, all I have to do is just place this back on the window and just basically snap the sensor back on. That's quite easy, and that's it. Simple. This change should take about a minute or two for you to just get the batteries, and then just snap this in place, and then your sensor should start working again. Alright guys, Ricardo got it from Blog Tech Tips. In case you need to see the other sensor, click on the notification later in this video. Alright, this is Ricardo got it from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.